Automech Monday afternoon, back with another one. This one here is to show you guys how to change pallet tape on a sleeve pallet. It's very simple. Take your roll, go run it along the long side of your sleeve pallet. All right, line up one edge to one side of your pallet, smoothing it out. Cut along the other side of the pallet. Boom, you're done. Get to number 2. Line it up, smoothing it out, cut on the other side. On to number 3. When you do it this way, you have enough width on your cut, on that initial cut that you make. You have enough width on that pallet tape to do 4 pallets at a time. It's very simple, very efficient. And that's what this screen printer thing is about, efficiency. You want to be able to get through your jobs as efficiently as possible, not as fast, as efficiently as possible, and get through your schedule as efficiently as possible, because at the end of the day, if you are not finishing your schedule, you're leaving things over, you're not doing your job. And it's as simple as that. So hopefully this is a technique that you'll find useful, and I'll see you in the next one.